this video, I will review the Daniel Smith Essentials Watercolor set. This is the swatch card I made when I received this set.
So this is the French ultramarine. Okay, there. It could go as I'm going to swatch the phthalo blue green shade here. And this is actually a very nice blue. I'm going to swatch the Petal Scarlet. Here, this is Queen Rose. Do you see how beautiful it is? With these colors, you can actually paint from landscapes, florals. You can even mix skin tones with this. Alright, this is New Gamboge. And I'll show you later how to mix it. I will get Hansa Yellow Light. Okay, you will see how cool the Hansa Yellow Light is.
In this painting, I mixed the Petal Scarlet and the Quinacridone Rose to have a good shade of red. I also mixed the colors to make browns on the wreath. The two sets of primary, cool, and warm primer colors are made to achieve different colors. For beginner in watercolor painting, this can help a lot in exploring the colors that can be mixed with just 6 colors. The colors are not overwhelming because it has only 6 very useful colors, like other watercolor sets will go.
Okay. Let me add a little bit of French ultramarine. Okay, there you go. And okay, so this is Queen Rose with Hansa Yellow Light, and water it down. This is with French ultramarine. Okay, so that's the skin tone. Okay, so this shade is the Queen Rose with New Gamboge and phthalo blue. That's it. Alright, this is what I get. If I will add a little bit of French ultramarine, a little bit more. Okay, this is what I have now. Okay, it's a little bit greener, and that's what I have. So we can get peach tones, grays, and skin tones with just 6 colors.
Here is a sample of my realistic lavender watercolor painting using this set. I mixed phthalo blue green shade and quinacridone rose to get the shades of violet. It is good for beginners. It can help you in learning color mixing. It's an artistry paints. A small amount can go a long way, so 5 ml tubes will last long. However, New Gamboge is a fugitive color and could have been replaced by another warm color like yellow ochre or something else. Fugitive color means the color will fade when exposed to humidity, pollution, or sunlight. So if you are planning to sell a painting or you want to hang your painting on the wall, I highly recommend to avoid using any fugitive colors so your painting will last long.